Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we worked in the yard. We Minnow helped me out here. We got the garden all cleaned up, all the weeds out of that. She's gonna mow tomorrow. I weed eated today. Um, gonna start the composter again tomorrow. Just got a lot going on. Actually, I'm gonna play golf tomorrow too. So there's that. So a little while back, I had a jar of Hatch Green Chile Mango sauce that I had had for a while. I picked it up at Costco, I think is where I got that. I'm pretty sure. Yes, I did. And it wasn't getting real close to being dated, but it was getting fairly close. So I went down and bought some chicken thighs. I put them in a vacuum bag with the green chili mango sauce. I vacuum packed them in my chamber vac, and then they've been in the freezer for I don't know, a couple of 3 weeks. I got them out yesterday. They thawed out in the refrigerator overnight, and I'm getting ready to put them on. I'm getting ready to put them on this bad boy right here. Oh, Mr. Kamado. Oh, Joe. Mr. Joe. I like Joe. So for this cook, I'm going to use Kingsford briquettes. For the longer cooks, I'll use the B&B hardwood chunk charcoal. But for these cooks like this, and when I do steaks, I usually use that stuff right there. So let me show you right quick how I have the Kamado set up. It has what they call the divide and conquer cooking system, and that's what I'm going to use. So this is the divide and conquer part of this thing. So I have 2 heat deflectors. I'm going to use just one of those. Put it on this side here. Then I will take one of my grates, and it will go down on the bottom part here. If I can get that in there for you guys. There we go. So this one, after I put my coals in, I will put this one on this side, and then the other one will go up here over on the top part. Right here. So I will have an indirect cooking surface and a direct cooking surface. And yeah, so I'll cook them down here on the hot fire for a little bit, and then we'll pull that out. We'll take them off of this part here. I'll clean my grills first, obviously, but I will cook them on this side, get the sugars caramelized a little bit and stuff, and get a little texture on that and some browning, and then I'll move them up here and finish them off on the indirect side. Divide and conquer. So here's my thighs that I put in the marinade bag. That the chamber vac works really good because I can do a liquid like this and not suck it out of the bag. So I will get these out in here in a minute. Minnow's making a salad. She's got cucumber and broccoli and lettuce, romaine and iceberg in there right now. She's going to add carrots and some sweet peppers and some cherry tomatoes. They're actually Juliet tomatoes, so let me grab those. Yeah, so they're actually Juliet tomatoes. Some of those right there off of Joanne's plant. So, oh yeah, she's gonna make a box of these cheesy scallops. They're box potatoes, but coals. All right, so let me get these out. I'll go get the coals in the Kamado Joe and get the grills cleaned up. We're about ready to start cooking. Get the charcoal in here. I'm going to put it mostly on this one side over here. Just kind of like that right there. I have plenty, I think. There we go. All right. Set this aside. There we go. And then let me get my little wand out of here and get the coals all kind of even there. So on this one side, I don't really need it on the other side, but I do have the heat deflector, so I'm going to put the deflector in now. Golly, what a battle. There we go. Got that in, then I'll put the upper in. I'll let these get hot, and then I will brush them off, wipe them off. And once we get up to around 350 on this then yeah, we can start cooking. All right, so I got the thighs ready to go. I just took them out of the marinade. I put a little bit of course, kosher salt and pepper on those, and I'm going to get those on the grill now. So set these over here. I'm going to get them moved over here. I'm going to run this hot for just a little while. For the first part of this, I'm going to run it hot. So let's get these guys on there. There we go. All right, so there's the start right there. I'll get the lid closed. I will keep checking on these guys, move them around a little bit. I want to get them, like I said, get that sugar caramelized a little bit, get these things tightened up a little bit, and then we'll move them up here to finish them off in the indirect. Quick. So I will check on these every couple minutes. I don't want to let them go too long. Turn them as needed, and then I'll get them up on the indirect heat after I get the outside like I want. All right, let's check on these guys and see what we got happening in here. Got smoke coming out. All right, these guys I think are ready for possibly for a turn. No, not yet. Move those around a little bit. Let's trade places with a couple of these. Couple of these, yeah, that's a little dark. That's okay. We like it like that, actually. Minnow really likes it like that. So we'll give these a minute, and then we will transfer these over here in just a minute. Keep an eye on those, a little closer eye. All right. So I've been checking these periodically and turning them and moving them, and now I think it's time to put these up on the indirect. Yep. So we'll put these up here. Nice, I like that. Yep. Okay, so I got those up there. I love thighs, man, because they're juicier. Just got a better, they're just juicier. There's a better piece of chicken meat. I like breasts too, but they dry up so quick. So there we go. So all right. So we're holding pretty close to 350 on this. It's a little low. I'll open that up a little bit. Open the bottom a little bit more. Anyway, I'm going to check this. Ooh, we're looking pretty good, actually. I think it's looking pretty good. So we're looking for that magical 150 degree or 165, I mean. So let's give these a couple of probes. We are at, we're 160, we're good. These things are probing nice. That's 159, so that one could go a little bit more. This one here, we are $167. And there we go. Let's give them a couple more minutes in here, and then we'll pull those off. So it is time to pull the chicken thighs. We've been holding, if you see that or not, just below 350, but that's fine. Everything temped over 165, except that one piece earlier, so we're good. Look at that. Yes, sir. That looks absolutely pretty good. There we go. Minnow will not let me have that piece there. She likes charred, and she likes that. This looks really good to me, actually. So I haven't done this particular marinade before, but I love hatch green chili, and I like mango. So there we go. Okay, so we got the chicken done. We re-temped it. When we got in here, the temperature is good. We're waiting on the potatoes just a little bit. So I'm just going to put a piece of foil over. Just put it over there lightly. That will be good. Our air conditioner vent is up there, and if it comes on, it blows down this direction. But this needs to rest for just a few minutes anyway, and keep the moisture in. So we are all good. I have my plate filled up. I have my chicken, and I have the potatoes, And I have that awesome looking salad. And believe it or not, I'm going to have a beverage. There we go. Okay, so I think it's the time I need to try this chicken. See how it turned out. Okay, so I'm going to give the chicken a try here and see how it turned out. It looks really good. There you go. That's good. I can eat that. I get a little bit of the green chili on the end. That's amazing. All right, guys, so that turned out really good. That turned out really good. It did. I'm going to go in and finish my dinner. I appreciate you guys watching a lot. I really do. Hit the like button, comment. You can subscribe right there, share. I really appreciate you guys a lot. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.